Best luxury sports cars. Bentley Continental GT Speed. Powertrain. Equipped with a 782 horsepower, 1000 Newton-meters, ultra-performance hybrid powertrain, combining a V8 engine with a 25.9 kWh battery. Performance. Achieves 0 to 100 km per hour in 3.2 seconds with a top speed of 335 km per hour. Offers 81 km of electric-only range and CO2 emissions of just 29 grams per kilometer. Technology. Includes active all-wheel drive, electronic limited slip differential, all-wheel steering, and Bentley Dynamic Ride for exceptional handling and comfort. Design. Features a muscular, contemporary design with single front headlamps, Bentley Performance Active chassis, and luxurious interior with wellness seat technology and new air ionization. (2025) Audi RS e-tron GT. Powertrain. Dual electric motors. Power. 845 horsepower, RS e-tron GT. And 925 horsepower, RS e-tron GT Performance. Performance. 0 to 60 miles per hour. 2.8 seconds, RS e-tron GT Performance. Top speed. 155 miles per hour. Battery. 97 kilowatt-hours, gross capacity, drivetrain. All-wheel drive with e-torque vectoring plus. Chassis. Adaptive air suspension and all-wheel steering. Interior features. Audi Virtual Cockpit Plus with a 12.3-inch HD display. Premium materials with extensive customization options. Bang & Olufsen sound system. Maserati GT2 Stradale. Engine. 3-liter V6 twin-turbo Nettuno engine. Power. 640 horsepower at 7,500 revolutions per minute. Torque. 720 Newton-meters. Acceleration. 0 to 100 kilometers per hour in approximately 2.8 seconds. Top speed. Over 320 kilometers per hour. Chassis. Ultra-light carbon fiber central monocoque. Suspension. Active racing suspensions with adjustable dampers. Interior. Seats. Fixed racing bucket seat with 6-point safety harness. Dashboard. 6.5-inch full-color display with integrated data acquisition system. Steering wheel. Multifunction steering wheel with UV reactive labels. Aston Martin Vanquish. Engine. 5.2-liter twin-turbo V12. Power. 824 horsepower. Torque. 1,000 Newton-meters. Acceleration. 0 to 60 miles per hour in approximately 3.3 seconds. Top speed. 214 miles per hour. Design and aerodynamics. Body. Lightweight carbon fiber bodywork. Chassis. Bespoke chassis with state-of-the-art dynamics technology. Aerodynamics. Advanced aerodynamic design for enhanced performance. Transmission. Rear-mounted 8-speed automatic transmission. Porsche 911 Carrera GTS. Engine. 3.6-liter boxer engine. Power. 485 horsepower from the engine, plus 56 horsepower from the electric motor, for a combined total of 541 horsepower. Torque. 610 Newton-meters. Acceleration. 0 to 100 kilometers per hour in 3 seconds. Top speed. 312 kilometers per hour. 194 miles per hour. Hybrid system. Electric turbocharger. Features an electric exhaust gas turbocharger that provides instant boost pressure. Electric motor. 8-speed dual-clutch PDK transmission. Interior. Fully digital instrument cluster. 12.6-inch curved display. High-resolution central display with a 10.9-inch screen. 2025 BMW M5. Engine. 4.4-liter twin-turbocharged V8. Power, 717 horsepower. Torque, 750 Nm. Hybrid system, integrated electric motor and battery. Electric range, up to 25 miles on electric power alone. Acceleration, 0 to 60 miles per hour in approximately 3.2 seconds. Top speed, electronically limited to 155 miles per hour, 250 kilometers per hour. Transmission, gearbox, 8-speed automatic transmission. Drive, MX Drive all-wheel drive system. Interior. The fully digital screen grouping is made up of a 12.3-inch information display and a 14.9-inch control display. Sound system. Bowers & Wilkins surround sound system with 18 speakers and 655 watts of crystal clear power. Mercedes-AMG SL 63 SE Performance. Engine, 4-liter V8 biturbo. System output of 600 kilowatts, 816 horsepower. Maximum system torque of up to 1,420 Nm. Acceleration to 100 km per hour in 2.9 seconds. Top speed of 317 km per hour. Transmission. AMG SpeedShift MCT9G transmission is standard. The fully variable AMG Performance 4 Vantage plus all-wheel drive and the AMG Active Ride Control suspension with adaptive adjustment damping and semi-active roll stabilization. Aston Martin Vantage. Engine, 4-liter twin-turbocharged V8. Power, 656 horsepower at 6,000 revolutions per minute. Torque, 800 Nm at 2,000 revolutions per minute. Acceleration, 0 to 60 miles per hour in 3.4 seconds. Top speed, approximately 195 miles per hour. Transmission, gearbox, 8-speed shiftable automatic. Drive, rear-wheel drive, RWD, suspension. Bilstein DTX adaptive dampers, electronic rear differential, e-diff. All-new interior architecture and bespoke, state-of-the-art infotainment system set new standards of quality, style and sophistication. Chevrolet Corvette ZR1. Engine, 5.5-liter twin-turbocharged DOHC V8 with a flat-plane crankshaft. Power, 1,064 horsepower at 7,000 revolutions per minute. Torque, 828 pound-feet at 6,000 revolutions per minute. Redline, 8,000 revolutions per minute. Acceleration, quarter mile in under 10 seconds. Top speed, over 215 miles per hour. Transmission, gearbox, 8-speed dual-clutch transmission. Suspension, magnetic ride suspension with customer adjustable short and tall wickers.